Today, we're making fire with a ferro rod. Let's go. So first off, it helps if you make a bowl. You get your stuff, make a little bird's nest. Just crinkle it up a little bit. And I like to make a little bowl. It helps collect the sparks. Get your little bowl set up. And there's two ways you can do this. You can hold your rod still and move your striker, or you can hold your striker still and pull back your rod. For this case, I'm going to be holding my holding my rod still and striking down into my bird's nest. Putting my bowl together a little bit nicer so that the sparks collect. Get my rod. I'm going to be striking down right in the center of the bowl. Started to light. Once it gets to this point, blow on it slightly, give it a little bit of air, and it'll usually take off for you. And there we have it. Okay, so grab our paper. What we're going to do is I'm just simply going to crinkle it up a little bit, make them a little bird's nest. The goal of this is to make sure that the sparks collect in one single area. You do this with your grass, with your cotton, with your whatever you got as your fire starter, as your kindling, as your tinder. Okay. Grab my striker. Same thing as before. Going to be striking down into the paper. Some people like to hold this still. Hold your striker still next to the paper and pull their stick back. I am striking into the paper. See how long it takes me. Get started. Little blow. There we go. Oh, the wind blew it out. But there we have it. A couple seconds is all it takes. Let's see if we can get one that stays. I might actually have to stomp it out a little bit. Let's see how that goes. There we have it, fire. There we are. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give it a like, thumbs up, subscribe with the bell on. Leave me a comment down below to let me know what to do next. I read every comment. See you guys later. See you guys.